Hey guys, welcome to the next data science tutorial, and today we will see how we can use stack or unstack method in our program. So here first I'll import pandas as pd and then I'll read my Excel file, and for that I've used pd.readExcel and this is my file name, and here I have used header and in bracket here you can see 0 and 1. So why I have used this, I'll just explain you. So if you'll print df, then here you can see this is the data that I have in my Excel file. So here you can see I have two headers here. This is the first one and this is the second one, and this we call it as level 0 and this is level 1. So that's why I have used 0 and 1. So this I have used for these headers. So that's why I have used header equals to 0 comma 1. If you will remove this 1, then it will not print the level 1. Level 1 has been removed from the data and this is the level 0 that is in my Excel file. So I have two levels, that's why I have used 0 and 1 here. And here you can see this is the level 0, this is level 1 which is the innermost level, and this is the data that I have in my Excel file. Now I'll use stack method df.stack, and if you'll execute it, then here you can see this is the data. It has transformed this column into rows. This is the innermost level, so this stack method by default transform the innermost level, which is level 1, into rows. So here you can see machine BMW, then Suzuki and Toyota, and again. So date wise you can see the data here. So in this way, this stack method you can use just to transform the innermost level into rows. And let's say you want to transform this level 0 into rows, then for that you just need to write a code stack df.stack and in bracket you will pass level 0, and if you'll execute it, then here you can see your level 1 is as it is this time and level 0 is now transformed into rows. So in this way you can use the stack method in your program. So let's say your df.stack, this is the data that you have got if you are using stack method, and let me save it in a variable. Let's say stacked is a variable in which I'm saving this data, and if you will type stacked, then this is the data that you have got. Now I'll use unstack method on this stacked. So dot unstack, and here you can see this unstack method is giving you the same data that you had earlier. So you can use unstack method just to see what data I had earlier. So this is also very useful. So you can use the stack method in this way. So you can also use this stack or unstack method if you have more than two headers, or you can say if you have multi-level headers, then you can also use this stack method. So let's say this time I have this file where I have three levels of headers, so I have used 0, 1 and 2 because I have three headers there. And if you'll print df2, then this is the data that I have in my this file, and this is the level 0, this is level 1, and this is level 2. So I have three headers here, and 0, 1, 2, these are my levels. So I have 0, 1, 2 in header, and here you can see this is the data that I have in my file. So you can also apply this stack or unstack method in such cases where you have multiple header columns. So you can use like df2.stack, and here you can see the stack method, as I have just said, that it just transformed the innermost level into rows, so it has transformed this innermost level, which is level 2, into rows. So here you can see the data, and in the same way you can apply on level 1. Then this time it has transformed the level 1 into rows, or you can apply this on level 2, so it will transform level 2 into rows. So in this way you can use this stack method if you have multiple levels or multiple columns in your data. So this is my df2 stack level 2 data, and here I'll show you how you can use the null method. So I'll save this in df, and if you'll print df, so this is the data that you have, and you can use this df dot is null. So where there is a nan values in your data, it will give you true, otherwise you will get false. So there is no nan value in your data, so that's why you are getting a false. Otherwise, wherever there is a nan value, you will get true in that case. So this is how you can use this isnull method also. So this was all about how you can use this stack or unstack method on multi-level column headers. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.